Hi and welcome, your bread barista here.
Are you looking for great tasting, rustic and reliable and affordable artisanal breads? Delivered consistently with a high standard of quality and at a competitive cost? Then today I'd like to share our unique story about gentle dough handling on a large scale. Because we've succeeded in combining the best of our baking traditions with innovative design and the latest state-of-the-art control technology at industrial scale.
And we have developed and implemented a simple, innovative and stress-free process
That enables our premium bakers to handle all sorts of liquid dough, just as gently as any baker ever could by hand. So the air bubbles created during mixing and proofing are not destroyed or distributed unevenly, something that's always been a challenge on industrial bakery lines.
But now we can do it at high speed and with a lot more consistency.
The new line also enables us to use liquid doughs, resulting in improved quality. More water in the dough stimulates the dough development, intensifies the taste during the long resting time, and ultimately increases the freshness of crumb and crust in the finished bread.
This process of crust formation is especially important when you bake on stone.
Which is exactly what we do on the artisan line in Londerzeel. The exceptionally airy dough optimizes the heat distribution and perfects the crust of the finished stone-baked products. So whenever you want to benefit from this revolutionary combination of artisan quality, industrial reliability, and grow your business with delicious, great-tasting, flour-dusted breads,
Discover a true passion for bakery and reducing cost.